Sawubona Mzansi, and welcome to this evening's MIH Live. So, we're back at Studio B right now, and things are looking good. MIH is currently getting up and running on the laptop that I am streaming on right now. But what we are going to try get up to is, sorry, let me hook something up over here. Not this one. A refresh. Let me test it. Yo, yo, yo. Okay, it's working now, it's working now. So yes, Minesweeper is currently completed. I finished it up today. And I'm quite excited for everyone to try it out. It is a sort of like a shared experience, if I can say that. But sorry, I want to get one thing for me. Cool. Let me know if there's any questions out there. Let me know if there's any questions while we just getting things sorted on our side. So, sorry, I just want to download some images right now. Download all. Okay, perfect. So let me open this one. Cool, and we can get started with that. So yes, like I was telling you, MIH Minesweeper is now completed, and I'm super happy for it, super excited for everyone to try it. So let me make this a little bit bigger so you can see me. So yes, the Minesweeper game is done. And it's not just a game, it's more of like a shared experience kind of vibe where we compete to get the top scores and all of those kind of things. Then you can see all your different scores and how you are doing. And then also teaching you how to play the game itself. So all of those features are completed right now. And I want to show it to you. So MIH is just sitting over there. While MIH is getting up and running, we're just going to yap for a bit. So also, along with our Minesweeper game being completed, our provider work is almost completed. We're about, I want to say 90% of the way there, because Sawubona Iki, nice to see you this evening. Because what happened, so it's 90% there. I say 90% because there's one tool that I need to switch over to provider, and I need to test out the access controls, which is closely linked to our provider work. So we're going to sort that out. And I'm going to finish that up tomorrow probably. And then after finishing it up, I'm going to test it out and make sure that everything is completed. Then, then we can start sending it out to our internal testers. And once it's with our internal testers, it'll sit for a couple of days. Our premium members of Mzansi will get early access to the MIH app, the latest versions. And once we're done with that, probably next week, Monday, Tuesday, we'll be able to submit it so that everyone will be able to, or probably by Wednesday, if we submit by Monday, probably by Wednesday, everyone will be able to access the MIH app. So let's switch over and let's see how things are gonna go. So I'm gonna switch over on TikTok. And then I'm also going to switch over here. Perfect. Switch. Perfect. So let me move this over a bit. And then move this here. Then we should be able to see the code. I'll put it down a little bit. Cool. So this is our MIH app. I'm trying to see what's the best way to maneuver things. Cool, so here's it over here. So this is the MIH app. Sorry, there's notifications over there. I'll close it up. But if we have a look, you'll see that MIH is currently running. It's currently pulling the Flutter repository, the thing that our framework that we use, and pushing it into our dev server. So while this is up and running, I should be able to show you our tasks. So let's head over to here. Where would tasks be? Yeah, where would tasks be? I feel like I had this somewhere, but it's okay. We'll use the normal standard internet for now. Yeah, we'll use the normal standard internet one for now, for some reason. So let's go on. I also didn't set up our new window. I didn't set up our MIH app, so I know I did nonsense to me, but that's fine. So let's open up MIH. So remember everyone, MIH is available multiple places. So firstly, it is available on the web. And then secondly, it is available on the Google Play Store and the Apple App Store and Huawei App Gallery. Also the web. If you want to find us on the web, just search MIH app and we'll appear at the top of the list. But if you want to find us on any of the other platforms, like on the Google Play Stores and stuff, search MIH and we will appear at the top of the list. So yes, while we're waiting for things to load on our side, let's run through the MIH app. And let me fix my audio also. Perfect. Perfect. Now we'll be able to hear things. So this is the MIH app. The MIH app is the first super app of Mzansi, and we're going to go through our traditions and see how many new users. So we currently have 113 new users inside the MIH app and 47 businesses. Thank you so much everyone for creating or downloading MIH and creating your MIH account. We do appreciate each and every one of you. So MIH provides you with multiple different features that the purpose of it is to make the lives of all the people and the businesses of Mzansi just a whole lot easier and a whole lot better. So that's what our mission and vision is as MIH. If you'd like to visit the application, like I mentioned, we're on all the different Play Stores, all the different stores, my apologies, and on the web. But let's run through some of the features. So you can see we have the Mzansi profile, which is this one here. The Mzansi profile is a place for you to manage your personal and business profile. Then we have the Mzansi wallet, my favorite feature that I use all the time. It's a place for us to store all of our loyalty cards digitally. So let's say, for example, Shell. If we click on it, here's our card. When I'm at the shop, I don't have to keep these cards inside my wallet. What I do is I'll just whip out my phone, open up MIH and display this card. And then everything is sorted. So all of these cards I've removed from my wallet and I've added it into the Mzansi wallet, just to free up some space. Then if we go back, so that's one of my favorite features, when the patient profile. Patient profile is a place for us to store our medical records digitally, right? So this is mainly for medical practices and things, for doctors to gain access to your profile, so you don't have to keep repeating the same information over and over and over again when you come and visit a new doctor. Next, we have the Mzansi directory. Mzansi directory is a place for us to search for people and businesses of Mzansi. When you're searching for a business, you can click the filter button. That will have another drop-down field available for you. You can click on it, and then you can search for the specific business. Let's say, for example, this one over here. So this is Find a Live Club. So Find a Live Club is a company. So this is what their mission and vision is all about. Connect with your community for informal lift sharing, share transport costs, reduce traffic congestion, and build connections with fellow commuters. So that's the mission and vision of Find a Live Club. You can call them, email them, navigate to their website, give them a rating or update your rating, and add them to your bookmarks. If we click on their website, so this is the power of the MIH app. If you click on the website, it'll take you there. But before we go on to that, if you'd like to visit them right now, what you can do is you can scan this QR code on the screen right now, and it'll take you directly through to their business info tab. which is this over here. So if we look at their website, it's their actual application in order to find a lift club. So you'll go through, you'll see what their offers are, you'll see how they work, create an account, all of those different kinds of things. So that's what the Mzansi directory is all about. We also have the people search, but there's not much happening on the people search. If we switch over to the people search, PEO, let me search here, and you'll find my profile. A little bland at the moment. We're going to add more information in the future, but we're working on other things now. It's not on our roadmap. Maybe sometime in the future it will be on our roadmap, and we can sort that out. But for now, this is everything on the personal side. If we go back, then we have the calendar. So this is a place to search for, or not to search for, sorry. It's to manage your personal and business appointments. So both on the personal side of MIH and the business side of MIH, we have the calendar available for us that you can just make and manage your different appointments. Then we have Mzansi AI, our friendly AI assistant. Let's have a listen. Hello. We can send it a message either through the action bar at the top, or you can dive into the tile. Let's listen.
Hello there, hand-waving welcome. I'm Mzansi AI, your friendly assistant here on the MIH app. I'm excited to help you with whatever you need, whether it's answering questions, brainstorming creative ideas, or just chatting. Just let me know what's on your mind. Smile. What can I do for you today?
Thank you so much, Mzansi AI, for demonstrating your power. So that's Mzansi AI. Ask any of your general questions, programming questions, general knowledge questions. Mzansi AI is there for you. Then we have our calculator, a simple calculator. But not only that, it has a tip calculator, it has and a forex calculator. Let me know if you want to dive into any of the different capabilities that MIH has, and then we'll try and hook it up for you. Then it looks like things are done, but then lastly we have, the last two tiles is our access controls. Access controls is to manage who has access to your data, and then the about MIH is to find out all you need to know about MIH. So what's our mission, our vision? You can install the application over here. You can watch a beginner's guide. You can support our journey. You can find out more about me, our socials. If we swipe over, our privacy policy, terms of service policy, and then our attributions. So this is what MIH is all about. So what we are going to do is we are going to try and demonstrate it. But before I do that, let's head over to let's sort out my tables. So there's a few tables that I forgot to sort out on this development environment. So we're going to try and hook that up, and hopefully there's no issues. Yeah, perfect. So I took a picture of it, and this is what the picture looks like. I want, user consent first. So user consent is under the app data table. So we can, over here, right click on table, create table, and then it's user consent. Let me put this over to the side. So it's user underscore consent. So control A, user underscore consent. Let me know if there's a better way of doing this. I know there is a better way, but let me know what everyone else is doing. So int is fine, primary key, yes. Not null, auto increment, perfect. Let's bring this. Why is this doing? Oh my word. Oh my word. Okay, let me not break things. Then we're gonna have control A app ID, app underscore ID. App underscore ID. And this is varchar 128. 128. Thank you so much, Watcher South ZA, for the follow. We appreciate you. We appreciate you. Then next one is privacy policy. Privacy underscore policy, I'm assuming. Yo, what is that one? You know what? Let's go check our code. because that'll be the best place to find it. Backend root. It's definitely under roots, and it's going to be under our database, and it's going to be under our objects. So we are using SQL Alchemy in order to sort out things out. So this is where it'll tell us what our tables look like. So we should have user consent over here. Yeah, okay, privacy policy accepted. Nice, copy. Let's head back over here. Control A, paste, paste. And this is a date time. Where's date time? Date time, perfect. Null. And then next one is terms of service accepted. Copy. Paste. This is date time. And then null. What's capital null, like this. Perfect, so this should be fine, I hope. I'll apply this, apply, close. Okay, perfect. So we have our user consent table now available over here for us. We can right click it, select top, what, perfect. Perfect, perfect, perfect. And then we have one more table that we need to do before we can start demonstrating things to you. And that one is our, so we've completed this one. We can have a look at our next one. So the next one is for our Minesweeper game, our leaderboards. So LT, thank you so much for the follow. Shout out, shout out. Let me know if you have any questions about MIH or anything like this. And remember, for those that are just following us right now, MIH is available on the Google Play Store, Apple App Store, Huawei App Gallery, and the web. All you have to do to find us is search MIH or the MIH app, and we will appear at the top of the list. So let's add a new one. So this one, we're going to have to add a little bit more things over here. So I have to add a schema. This schema is going to be minesweeper underscore leader, BOARD, enter, apply, close. Okay, so we have our new database now, schema. Then we can add a new table, create table, perfect. So then this is called player underscore score. Oh my word. Player underscore score. ID player underscore score int primary key not null auto increment. Perfect. Next we have app underscore ID varchar 128 and then this, enter. Then we have difficulty difficulty, difficulty, like this, and then we have game time, game underscore time. It's also that, and then lastly we have, oh, there's two more things, play date, played underscore date, which is a date time. I'll make it null. And then lastly is the game score. Game underscore score. Game underscore score is a decimal. So it's a decimal. That decimal is going to be 10, 5, close. Decimal 10 comma 5, and then also null. Okay, apply. Perfect. So now our databases are set up. So let's check out the local version of MIH, the dev version of MIH. So let's play this and see what happens. Sometimes when we start off on this laptop, when you start off the MIH server, is it running? Oh, I'm clicking on the wrong place. But sometimes when we start up the MIH server on this dev laptop of ours, what happens is our authentication doesn't work correctly. We'll have to switch off the server and put it back on again from scratch. But we'll see how things goes over here. I'm not really sure why that happens, if I'm being honest, but it's a simple fix on our side. So it's just loading right now. As you can see, it's launching our dev main file, which has the different variable of mode and stuff setting up. So you can see up and running. But we'll see now when we click on start. What's this thing? When we click on yes, test profile, if it goes through. So it loads. If it takes too long to load, then I know it's an issue with yeah, it's taking quite some time to load. So I definitely think it's something wrong with the server. We'll just switch it off and switch it back on. Yeah. We'll switch it off and switch it back on. So we'll go back to our terminal, and this time it'll be super quick to do. So I'll go up. So Docker Compose down. Thank you so much. Who was that? Thank you so much. Thank you so much for the follow. I can't see your name. Oh, there's it over there. LDS. Thank you so much for the follow. We appreciate you. So the server is now down. What we will do is make it back up again. So this time it'll be quicker because we just did it before the stream or during the stream. So you'll see it'll be much quicker to get things going on this side. So are you attending the SAFT summit next week? Shout out. Who is this? Boy Kobo. Nice to see you here again. So I have no idea what that is, but we're gonna have a look now. So SAFT summit. So let's go over here. SAFT summit. If it's still available, I can definitely try and secure my ticket. Is it a paid for thing? Is it a free thing? So shape tomorrow. Get your. Are you going, Boy Kobo? Let us know if you're going through. Maybe we can meet up over there. So to register with a discount code, follow. Oh my word. Order Yuri. I'm sorry, Boy Kobo. The ticket prices is a little bit steep on our side. Is there like free tickets? Yeah, I'm going. I'll be exhibiting there. Shout out. What's the name of your company? The name of your business? Let us know. 'Cause that's cool. Is there free tickets? Can you hook me up with some tickets? Contact us. Or is it paid for? So, okay, let's read. To register with the discount code, please follow these steps. Click use a promo code, then click your code or enter your code and click apply. Select the conference ticket. I want one ticket. 1-day conference pass, 5th of November. Okay. 900, kind of steep. Is there promo codes out there? Best viewers, Streambo. No free tickets, but I have a 90% code for 2 days one. You have 50, but then it's just I can just buy the 1 day. But interesting. What is this event all about? Before we let's see why we need to attend this. Accelerate. Okay. Why the summit will transform your business. Don't just attend another conference, join South Africa's most impactful business growth summit where real results happen. Boy Kobo, do you suggest I go to this thing? Do you think it's worthwhile doing it? Let us know in the chat, and please feel free to drop a link to that discount code, and then I'll attend the 2 day session. Business and all, it's a bit better than the other one we went to. So I went to the business. What is it? The Business Africa summit, something like that. I went to that one this year. It was maybe like a month or two ago. Is it the same? Is it similar to that one, or is it better? And if it's better, is it worth the 900 that I'm gonna spend to get here? That's the questions that we need to know. So wait, let's see what else is there. So accelerate your growth, learn proven strategies from South Africa's most successful entrepreneurs who scaled businesses from startups to market leadership. Okay. High impact networking, connect with 2,000 plus decision makers, investors, and industry leaders in curated networking sessions designed for meaningful connections. Yeah, I went to that one as well. Yeah, this one is worth it. It's hosted by I'm assuming you got cut off, you'll finish now. It's hosted by, let's carry on reading. So, future ready innovation. Discover emerging technologies, market strategies, and innovative business models that will define the next decade of commerce. Okay. Actionable insights. Walk away with concrete action plans, implementation framework, and resources you can apply immediately to your business. So who's the people over here? Oppenheimer, Grace, J something, okay. Oh, Gulam from Standard Bank, nice. Bill Blackie, I know him. Okay, definitely some interesting people over here. I'll have to think about it. The price is a little bit steep, I'm not gonna lie. For this event. Standard Bank. Yeah, we'll think about it. We'll think about it and see how it goes. Yeah, hosted by Oppenheimer, went last year. It was great. For 900, I'm hoping it's great. I'm definitely hoping it's great. But yeah, we'll definitely try. Let's reload this. So I'll have a look. I'll have a look, and I'll sit and think about it tonight to see if I can, or if I should go. So let's have a look at MIH. Let's sign in. Yeah, so you see this is it. And then our privacy policy pops up when we click accept. Thank you, yeah. So everything pushed to our database fine. So I think I closed it now, but everything pushed there fine, trust. And then we have so this is the first time I'm testing out the new provider stuff with our web version. I normally use the Android version when I'm developing. But hopefully things are fine. Looking good over here. If we click on it. So this is what I was telling you, right? So we have our game. Then we have, if you switch over, we have our leaderboard. Switch over again, we have our profile picture. And then if we switch over one more time, it gives you the rules of the game. So things are looking quite good over there. Quite fine. Maybe a little bit messy. I'll have a look to see. I used AI I was a little bit lazy to create Flutter code to do this, so I asked Gemini to do it for me. And I just modified it here and there. But we'll have to have a look to see what it looks like. But let's play a game. Hopefully win. We'll switch it over to very easy. Hopefully we can win the game. And I see an issue over here. Let's fix this quickly. But if you look at the bottom of the screen, our menu button, I have a learn how to play, but it has a plus icon. It shouldn't be a plus icon. It should be a... What icon should it be? it should be not that icon. It should be the icon that we use for Minesweeper. Or not Minesweeper, for like rules or something. And I know I used rules rounded. Copy. Or, yeah, copy. And then that should be over at the bottom over here. Learn how to play. Where's the icon? Add. Paste. So let's change inside word. Paste. Yeah. We're gonna save, head back over to our game. And we're up and running now. So if we head back, click on the thingy, now we see our icon change. You can't see it over there. It's kind of not so nice looking, but trust that it is there. So we're gonna click on new game, and we're gonna not make it easy, we're gonna make it very easy. Start, just to play around with it, to show you what promo code shout out STUCO, shout out, shout out, shout out. Can anyone use that, or is it just a matter of only yeah, is it can anyone use it? Does it have a limit to it? Now that you put it on the chat, is anyone gonna do it? But okay, it's saved on the chat. Let us know, let us know. Nice. Ah, that was a misclick, that was a misclick. Yo, Minesweeper shows us flames. Always showing us flames over here. Always showing us flames. So I just want to win one game and then put our score on the leaderboard so that we can demonstrate the leaderboard for you. So 2 over here, over here, over here, 2, 2, here, 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 here. Nice, nice, nice. Yeah, anyone can use, but I was sent. It was sent to a select group through the ticket, though, so the ticket might be limited. Not sure. Okay, we'll try it out. Thank you so much, Boykobo. We'll try it out. If we decide to go, we'll try it out. If it doesn't work, it's okay. We'll pay the full price. But thank you so much for hooking us up with that code. But as you can see, we have a score. It took us. Something is wrong here. We didn't take. Oh yeah, did we take 3 seconds? No way. No way we took 3 seconds to do this. But let's head over to the leaderboard. And it's supposed to have pushed it here. Interesting. Interesting that it's not coming through. Let's have a look at our database. I can hear my PC screaming right now. So let's go to Minesweeper leaderboard, player score, select. Yeah, why didn't it push our stuff through? App ID difficulties. Let's see what our things was telling us. Our logs are telling us, cause it should have pushed it through. Okay, let's have a look at our logs now. Specifically our API logs. So we'll head over to our containers, the API hub. Okay. Let me download this log so it can be easy for us to see. Yo, so much thingies. So the error is coming over here. Minesweeper underscore leaderboard dot player does not exist. So it's saying something doesn't exist. Interesting, interesting, interesting. Interesting things, interesting things. So let's open up our objects. Oh, player score. I think I made a spelling mistake. Play score, yeah. Yeah. Foolish behavior, of course. Alter table. Player. 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 Apply. Cancel. ER. Apply. Apply. Close. Okay. So now if we select all, okay, we're gonna try play the game one more time, and we need to watch the timer. We definitely need to watch the timer because I feel like I didn't really do it in 3 seconds. That was a little bit too quick. Oh, and I'm on production one also. So not here. This one. Let's go back. Play a new game. Start new game. Oh, why is this timer looking like this? This time doesn't look like it's going up correctly over here. I'm not sure why. Yeah, this time is definitely doing something strange, but that's okay. I'll we'll just play it and see I'll see what's happening tomorrow with this when we testing. It might just be this machine. Oh my word. Okay, yeah. 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 Yeah, our time was definitely not 3 seconds. We took much longer than that. But let's go leaderboard. And again, hectic. So there's more issues with our database, I think. Let me. Sorry, I was being lazy to copy and paste over here. Let's try copy and pasting our things. So, alter thingy. Copy. I'm sure it's difficulty. No. Played. Underscore date. Game underscore time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 5, 6. Game underscore score. Strange things be happening right now. And it's definitely to do with the database stuff. Apply. Oh, no changes. So it wasn't this one. App ID. ID player underscore score. I'll have to check this logs again. So an error occurred during this one. Minesweeper underscore leaderScore player leaderboard. Minesweeper leaderboard. Is it our player underscore score? Minesweeper leaderboard. Yo, I have no idea. I have zero idea. There's it. Why can't I change this? How do you rename a table? How do I rename a table, everyone? I don't want to recreate it because that's kind of tedious work. Split. Let me go back. Let's ask Gemini how to rename, or Gemini. Or let's ask Mzansi AI. How do I rename a schema in MySQL? Let's have a listen and see what Mzansi AI has to say about this. Rename table, old name to new name. Is that correct? Rename table. Okay, let's try that in this execution thing. So, let me go caps. Rename this one. Rename this one. Did it say 2? Yeah, capital TO to the new name. Okay. Hopefully this works. Let me copy this. Copy. To paste. Apply. You have an error that occurred in the syntax. Okay, maybe Mzansi AI was talking garbage to us. Maybe Mzansi AI was talking garbage. How to rename schema in MySQL. Yeah, tedious work, but I don't worry, don't stress about it. We'll fix that and we'll make sure everything is sorted. It was my mistake, everyone. My mistake. I didn't hook that up before the live. But cool, we're gonna cut it a little bit short just this evening. Thank you so much for joining, everyone. We do appreciate each and every one of you. I'm gonna check out that timer tomorrow. We're gonna do some more testing and stuff. But yeah, hopefully by the end of tomorrow we can start testing everything out on our side. Thank you so much everyone for joining the MIH live this evening. We do appreciate each and every one of you. If you like to support us, what you can do is you can follow, you can subscribe, you can like. We are live Monday to Thursday. We try on YouTube, Twitch, and TikTok. Please feel free to go head over there and follow us on that side. If you like the mobile experience, I know people on TikTok like mobile experiences. We have a mobile experience over on YouTube. But if you like the TV experience, like you want to watch on your TV or your laptop or something, head over to Twitch. Everything is fine over there. Thank you so much for the rose. We appreciate you. We appreciate you. Martin Mini, shout out. And the heart me, shout out, shout out, shout out. Thank you so much. We appreciate you. And if you want to support us even further, the MIH app is available on the Google Play Store, Apple App Store, Huawei App Gallery, and the web. Please feel free to download MIH and set up your MIH account and start utilizing it. And give us some feedback. Let us know what's good, what's not good, and what can we improve from. If you'd like to support us even further than that, you can become a premium member of Mzansi. By becoming a premium member of Mzansi, what happens is you unlock certain perks. You can do this through TikTok or you can do this through Patreon. So that unlocks early access to the latest version of MIH. So when we release the latest version, our premium members will get it up first, and then it will be us. And then it'll be everyone else. Then there's a private Discord server, monthly hangouts, and shoutouts that we're going to have. So please, if you like to support us that way, please feel free to do that. And yes, like I mentioned, we are live Monday to Thursday at 7 p.m. Make sure to follow us, make sure to like, subscribe, all those nice things. Thank you so much for joining, and I hope to see you tomorrow, and let's keep working hard, Mzansi.